Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you that how you guys can install so many games without a UMD. You guys can play games in RPSP without a UMD. As you guys can see, there is no UMD inside my PS right now, but still I am able to play games. As you guys can see, I have so many games. Let me show you example like I'm gonna play cars. So let me just launch this game and I will just show you a true example that you can play games in your PSP without UMD. So you don't need this UMDs and all just to play games. As you guys can see, the game has now launched pretty smoothly, pretty easily. And yeah, let me say one more thing, that there will be no lag in your game if you try to play. As you guys can see, the game is working pretty nice, smoothly, and it's super nice. As you guys can see, everything is working good. And yeah, this is the cars game which I have installed recently. So yeah, I will be telling you how you guys can install games in your PSP without buying a UMD. So yeah, the things that you will be needed is that you will be needing first of all, the main thing is that you will be needing a memory stick, okay guys? And yeah, you will be needing a memory stick, which is very important to play games in your PSP. The link will be in description. Just click that link and you can buy it. And it depends on you if you want to buy a memory stick of 1 GB or 2 GB, 3 GB, 4 GB, 5 GB. I have bought for 8 GB, so make sure you bought this thing. So guys, once you buy this thing and this memory stick is in your home, so what you have to do is take it and just plug this thing out and put this thing right in your PSP. Once you put it, close this thing and it will show like this for you. Maybe there will be no games here, but for me there are so many games over here, as you guys can see. So I will be teaching you that how you guys can insert these many games in your PSP for free without paying any money. It's super simple. You can do in like just 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, let's start our video. For importing the games in your PSP, you will be needing this kind of cable. Let me show you. This kind of cable you will be needing. So this will go inside your laptop or PC, and this cable will go inside your PSP like this. Okay guys, so this is very important. You need to buy this cable. Maybe this will be of it. This type of cable will be of $1 or something. So you can buy this cable very simply. The link will be in my description. So let's go to the next process. So guys, once this cable is connected with your laptop or PC and it's connected with your PSP, what you have to do is that you guys have to come to USB connection, okay guys, and press X. Once you press X, it will take some time and USB mode should be on, and this thing should come in your PC, okay guys. Once this thing came in your PC, then you're all good to go. So guys, right now what you have to do is basically, it's very simple process. So the thing which you have to do is you have to open two folders of my files right over here, as I have opened. So the thing which I have to do is, here should be the normal my files, and here should be the PSP folder. Like I have connected this to my PSP over here, as you guys can see. So this is basically the PSP folder right over here. So what you have to do is go to this PSP folder, right click on new and click on folder and make a folder name ISO, and it should be in capital letters. Open this folder like I have opened it like this, and here are all the games which I have installed here. So this is a game for an example which I have installed right now. So I will just double click on it and it should be an ISO file right over here. So what you have to do is drag this file over here. This process is kind of time consuming process, so you have to wait little bit, maybe like 15 to 10 minutes. If your PC is too slow, then it may take like 20 to 25 minutes. So this process is very simple, just you have to wait, and then this game file will get imported into your PSP folder, and then you can play this game in your PSP very easily without any lag. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait right now, and once this thing is completed, I will let you know. So guys, right now the file is imported in this PSP successfully. As you guys can see over here, Test Drive Unlimited USA PSP. Now this file is imported in my PSP folder, and now what you can do is you guys can simply remove this thing and remove this, and now you guys can play in your PSP the game. So guys, let's see if the game is there right now here. Let's go back, and now there should be the game over here. There we go. Now there's the game, and you can play it easily guys, and this is how you guys can import the games in your PSP very easily, and it's pretty simple.
Is being recalculated.
Okay. As you guys can see, this game is working super nice.
Turn left.
And yeah, like this only you guys can play games in your PSP very easily without any lag. And that's how simple it is. Super simple. Everyone can install games in their PSP very easily. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.